So, just when it felt like Wall Street could wind down into the long weekend, bam! President Trump throws another tariff curveball. Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, May 24th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, U.S. stocks ended Friday in the red, capping off a tough week. The Dow dropped 0.6%, the Standard and Poor's 500 lost around 0.7%, and the Nasdaq slipped about 1%. All three indexes ended the week down more than 2%. The selling really picked up after Trump said Apple would have to pay a 25% tariff on iPhones that aren't made in the U.S. Apple shares fell about 3%. And then it got bigger. Trump added that Samsung and other smartphone makers could be hit too, unless they start building plants in the U.S. That definitely shook the tech space. As if that wasn't enough, he also threatened to slap a straight 50% tariff on imports from the European Union starting June 1st. Talk about pressure before the Memorial Day break. Now, beyond tech, this week has been all about rising Treasury yields and deficit fears. Trump's sweeping tax bill is still moving through Congress, but investors are worried it'll explode the deficit. That pushed long-term bond yields higher, with the 30-year yield staying above 5% on Friday, something we haven't seen consistently since the financial crisis. And finally, everyone on Wall Street is already looking ahead to Nvidia's earnings on Wednesday. The chipmaker's caught in the middle of trade tensions and AI hype, but interestingly, options traders are expecting less volatility this time around. Let's see if that holds. That's it for your Capital Markets Quickie. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, and we'll be back next week to keep you ahead of the curve. Thanks for listening.